Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In my last previous video I made mention about this website that I'm going to be showing you, and this is the website right here. It's called Pictory.ai. Actually this website is a AI, artificial intelligence that help you to create videos, like 10 minutes long, 15 minutes long, 20 minutes long, that can help you if you are promoting a brand, if you are creating a video to promote like affiliate marketing or anything. You just want to create a content. If you are a content creator on video, you can just use this AI. This is called Pictory.ai. So how did you do this? Click the link in the description below. You will end up here. So what you just need to do is hit this free trial right here. Just do that, hit that. So give it a while, it's loading. Yeah, just put your name, your email and your password right there and hit sign up. So once you've done that, we're gonna end up on this on their home page. So let me log in right now. I already have an account on this, so I'm just gonna log in. Yeah, here we are. So once you log in, you're gonna end up here. You can see Pictory. This is their home page. Yeah, so how do you do this? You can see their pictures right here. This is what they normally do: script to video, article to video, edit the video using text, visual to video. I don't really recommend this two, but I use this two right here, and the one I mostly use is this script to video. And everybody loves this. You just write your script, come right here and put your script. It's gonna make the video for you. So how did you do that? But this one right here, if you find any article online that really catch you, and you want to make videos on those articles, just copy the URL of that article and come right here and paste the URL link and paste it right here. You hit proceed, so it's gonna create the video for you. As you can see, blogs, press release, or any HTML article, just copy their link, put it right here. It's gonna create the video for you. For the one I mostly use is this. I go to Fiverr. If I want to promote a brand, because I work on Fiverr, I make videos for people on Fiverr, and this is the website that I use to make my videos. It depends on the minute or the length of the video. If I want some short videos, I use there's a video I released before this one. There's a video I upload on my channel before this one. It's all about in video. I will be leaving the link in the description below. You can just watch that video also and learn from that. So if I want to create like 1 minute, 2 minute video, I use that one. But if I want to create like 10 minutes long, 15 minutes to 20 minutes, I use this website. This one is so powerful. So how do you do this? You can just if you have any clients if you are working as a freelancer, just like I do, if you have any clients, the client will send you their script, or if the person can just tell you to you write the script yourself. So how do you do this? You just go to Fiverr, hire someone, let it write the script for you, or if you can write your script yourself, just write the script yourself. It's fine, because I write my script myself sometimes. So, and here is my script. I'm just gonna copy my script right now. So copy my script right now, come right here, hit proceed and paste it right here. So as you can see, our script is ready. You can just try to correct try to make some corrections, but if you don't want to, it's totally fine. So I think we are done. Okay, now the next thing to do is hit this one right here. You can see proceed. So select the size. Is it 16.9 landscape? Is it landscape, portrait or square? This one is for blog, I think. This one right here, square. This one is for phone. This one, and this one is for, you know, like YouTube videos. Yeah. So, and it depends on the video you are creating. You know, if you are creating for phone, you can just hit this one right here. For blogs, hit this one. If you are creating for, you know, like YouTube or any other social media platform out there, just hit this. But for the purpose of these videos, I'm going with this. So now just give it a while. It's loading. Now it's trying to create our videos for us. So just give it some time, wait for it. It's gonna, you know, it's gonna search all the engine out there, you know, try to bring everything together to create it and make it nice. So just give it a while, relax, sit back and enjoy the hair I do. It works. Yeah guys, as you can see, our video has been created. Okay, so I got it. Our video has been created. You can see these are all the script, these are all the videos and the scenes right here. So you can just check around. As you can see, it's exactly just match exactly the same script that we put earlier before. So if you don't like this scene, you know, this scene right here, you can just come right here. This is visual, you know, hunger, you know, hunger and feeling meal. If you don't like this scene, you can just come right here. You can come to feeling meal, or you come to hunger. You can just select something right here, come to feeling meal. You can select this, you can select that, you can select this. Just do this right here. It's gonna replace this. That's how it works. That's how it works. And one more thing, the styles, this style, if you don't like this style, you can select this. Yeah, you can see it's changed. If you don't like that one, you can scroll down, you can select this. You see, you can see you can select this also. Just anything that suits you guys, anything that befits you, just select that. Okay, if you like this, just go with that. But the one I normally use, I use this one, the first one, and this one, you know, this one right here, you know. I like people to see my text, you know, when they are reading it, so I go with this. So yeah, here is the punch, the punchline, you know. This is where you come, you can, you know, this the background music, right? So if you play this right here, you will not hear any voiceover. It's just music. So what you need to do, just come right here. You can see this right here, voiceover. Click this. You can see tons of voiceover right here. You know, we have Australia English, we have New Zealand English, we have South Africa English, we have India. You can see we have India English. We have in US English, and we have British. You can see UK English. So it now depends on you what you want. So you can just come right here. Where is Sally? There is no Sally here, but we have Matthew here and Kimberly. So you can just, the one I normally use is, I use Matthew.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Okay, you can just play everything. You can just play around with them, you know. Select the one that, you know, that mostly what I will just see, that just select something that is more realistic, you know, that can really convince people, you know. So that's what I do. So but for the purpose of this video, okay, you have Sally, this is Sally. Yeah, you have it right here. You can use Sally, you can use Matthew. That's what I use mostly. So let's just go with Matthew. Select this. Once you select this, come right here, apply. It has been applied already to all the scenes, guys, to all the scenes. So what you just need to do now is come right here. Our video, you don't need anything, you don't need much time. So once you put your script, just hit just hit proceed. So it's gonna create everything for you. Just come right here, put the voiceover. Just put the voiceover. That is it. Your video is done. Just come right here. You can preview if you want to. You can preview the video, but if you don't want to, you can just come right here. But I would really recommend you preview the video. You know, if you are just getting started, you preview. But for me, you know, I've been using this not once, not twice, I've been using it consistently. So I don't normally, once it creates my video for me, I just come right here, put the voice over, come right here, it generates. So generate and download the video, this one right here. So but if you are just getting started, I will strongly recommend you preview your video. Just come right here, preview the video. It's loading. This website is not like, like in video. In video you still have to do a lot of things, you still have to do a lot of works, try to put the audios, the music, everything. You have to put it together, the pictures. But this one, you don't have to. Just put in your script, hit proceed. It's gonna create everything for you perfectly. I enjoy this more than in video. So but sometimes I just like to use in video for my short videos. Like if I want to make video for ads, I use in video. So but this one, I normally use this for my clients on Fiverr, so I used to create their video for them. So, and though it's not free, guys, though if you are just getting started with that free trial, they're gonna be giving you like maybe 5 to 6 video, to make for free. But after that 5 videos, you won't be able to make any videos. Any video that you make, you won't be able to download it unless you upgrade. So you upgrade to the paid plan. So and later I'm going to show you that paid plan. It's not really that much. You can upgrade. But the video you created using free, there will be a watermark. That is the problem right there. There's always a watermark if you are using any video making website like this. There's always a watermark if you don't upgrade to their paid plan. Even though if you are using some video editing software like Power Director now, if you don't upgrade to their paid plan, any video you edited with Power Director, there's always a watermark there. So just like this one also. So if you upgrade, their paid their watermark is gonna be removed. But if you don't, it's okay. If you are just getting started, it's perfectly fine. You can just and once people started watching your video and you started getting a view, you can upgrade. It's just simple as that. It's your choice. So just give it a while. It's loading. Yeah, you can see our video is been low. So
Are you attempting to lose weight? It can be problematic, to say the least. Especially when you're plagued with food cravings at all hours of the day and night. We've all experienced explainable hunger, which can strike even if you've just had a filling meal an hour before. Consider this: reducing weight would be extremely beneficial. It would be a lot easier if there were solutions to stop this unquenchable desire. What could be better than eating nutritious cuisine that curbs your hunger and eliminates your cravings? That is exactly what today's video is about. We'll talk about meals that help you lose weight. We'll cover everything from oatmeal to eggs, and more. Let's get this conversation started by talking about eggs. Have you ever wondered why eggs consistently rank first on every list of weight loss foods? Whether you're talking about protein or satisfying your hunger, eggs are bound to come up. Eggs.
that is it, guys. So as you can see, our video is perfect. One more thing, if you don't like the audio, the music, the background music, it's too much, right? So you can just come right here, background music. If you don't like it, you can just turn it off. Or you can just leave it like that. Okay, so but I'm gonna leave it. I think it's good with that, So once you've done that, guys, so just come right here. You see this generate, come right here, this video, just click this. So once you've done that, your video will be ready for download. So once you've done that, just download your video. Anywhere you want to upload your video, just upload it right there and start making the killing. So what is their paid plan? How much is their plan? What is their pricing? Come right here, upgrade. Yeah, this is their plan, guys. The standard is $19 per month. The premium is $39 per month. So the one I use is this one. I use this premium, because I have a lot of work that I do with this website. So I upgrade to this one. But if you're just getting started, you can just upgrade with this. You can start with this with standard $19 per month. So as time goes on, you can upgrade to their premium plan. So that is how that's it, guys. That is how it works. if you really get value from this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button. What that notification button does for you is that anytime I drop an amazing video like this one you are watching right now, you will be notified by YouTube. So try to watch, implement. You can get a good result using this app, this AI. So don't forget to watch my previous video on how to use InVideo to make your video also. So until I see you in my next video, guys, don't forget that Timmy loves you. Bye bye from here. Keep winning.